Softing.
In this video, we are going to explain what is provided in Encircled Flux Compliance Multimode Fiber Testing Kits for WireXpert. In the kit, you will find a pair of Encircled Flux Compliance Multimode Fiber Test Adapters, a pair of SC Interface Interchangeable Adapters, a pair of FC to SC Simplex Test Cords, a pair of SC to SC Simplex Test Cords, a mating coupler, and a one-click cleaner. In a LC cord kit, you will find a pair of LC interface interchangeable adapters, a pair of FC to LC simplex test cords, a pair of LC to LC simplex test cords, a mating coupler, and a one-click cleaner. In a ST cord kit, you will find a pair of ST interface interchangeable adapters, a pair of FC to ST simplex test cords, a pair of ST to ST simplex test cords, a pair of mating couplers, and a one-click cleaner. The SC interface on the test adapter can be replaced with the LC or ST interface that is provided in the respective cord kits. When securing the test cord onto the FC interface, ensure that the key is properly inserted into the slot before locking the test cord in place. Have a look at the other videos or visit our website to explore the other various features of WireXpert. Thanks for watching.